How to verify your TikTok account, easy and fast method. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to verify your TikTok account in fast easy way. So let's say that you want to verify your account. First thing you have to do is you go to Google and go to tiktok.com and go to the contact option in TikTok website. Click on contact right here, and then you have to contact them and tell them that your account your your account, and you send them your identify, uh, and also make sure your TikTok account is linked with your phone number and your email, and also add the two steps verification to your account, and then I'm sure they will verify your account in less than 1 week from your contact. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.